In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete more than 50 emails in Gmail at once, which can be a real time saver and help you keep your inbox organized and clutter-free. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account by going to the Gmail website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox or wherever your bulk emails are stored. Now, when you look at the top of your email list, you'll see a small checkbox near the refresh icon. This checkbox selects all the emails you currently see on your screen, usually 50 by default. Once you click this checkbox, you'll notice a message that appears above your list of emails, indicating that 50 conversations on this page are selected. Next to this message, there's an option that says Select All Conversations in Folder. Click this option. This will select all the emails in whatever folder you're currently viewing, not just the ones on the first page. After selecting all the conversations, look for the trash bin icon or the delete button, usually located just above your email list. Click on it to delete all the emails you've selected. A confirmation prompt will usually appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed with this bulk action. Go ahead and confirm by clicking OK or Yes. Gmail will then move all those emails to the trash folder. Remember, emails in the trash are not deleted immediately. They stay there for about 30 days, which means you have the option to retrieve them if you realize you've deleted something by mistake. If you decide you want them gone instantly, navigate to the trash folder, select all the emails again by repeating the process described earlier, and then use the Delete Forever option to remove them permanently. A little tip. Before you delete your emails in bulk, it's a good idea to quickly scan through the list for anything important or emails from people you frequently communicate with, just to make sure you're not accidentally discarding something you'll later need. Utilizing the search bar at the top of your Gmail can be especially helpful for this purpose, allowing you to filter emails by sender, subject, or specific keywords, making the sorting process that much easier. Cleaning up your inbox periodically can significantly enhance your email experience by reducing clutter and ensuring more productive and stress-free communication. It's also important to note that, while deleting emails in bulk can be great for managing your inbox size and tidiness, maintaining a regular habit of checking and cleaning can ensure that you don't end up in email overload again. Now you've learned how to clear out more than 50 emails at once in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join us next time for more useful tips and guides on navigating your digital life effectively.